Hi, my name is Joey. Okay, I'm from New York originally. I just moved here to Austin. I've only been here for a few, but I had my time here at ATX Driving School. First time ever driving, and I had an amazing experience. When I say amazing experience, a great experience, because I'm usually a nervous person, but they made sure that I was calm. They had great instructors, great teachers, and no matter how many times I had nerves and no matter how many times I messed up, they explained to me slowly, and they explained to me carefully a lot of different instructions and many different ways to teach you as well. If you don't get one way and you learn a different way, many different ways. My favorite was Miss Tucker and Mr. Franklin, all-time favorite. So many different ways to teach you. Very funny person. They know how to keep you at ease. And driving, if anybody knows me, driving is really something that I'm a stickler with because I'm from New York, so I'm used to trains. But this was an amazing experience. My test examiner was straight, it was clear. There was no extra pressure that was unneeded. Everything was smooth and just very accommodating to your style of learning. And that is something I really, really value. So thank you, ATX Driving, and please continue your service.